All right, there you have it, Leanne. Just a little bit more on what you can experience here in Kakamase. If brandy is your kind of thing, and I'm not talking about the singer, then definitely this place is where you want to come through. But also someone who stopped by for a moment or two, backed by popular demand, is Jan Arendse, the pastor who goes around preaching a message of hope throughout South Africa. He stopped in Kakamase this time, and he's brought his friends along, Simon and Aziz, and they're still having breakfast and making me feel a little bit left out because we haven't had our coffee yet, but they've been at it all morning. Pastor, a very good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Goeiemorgen, South Africa.
What is your message? Your message when you walk around with these camels? What are you trying to send across to the nation?
Die boodskap van die kameel symbool is hoop. En dit is baie belangrik dat die hoop wat ons uitdra is die hoop vir die wêreld, die hoop vir ons land, die hoop vir nasies en die hoop vir ons leiers. Dat daar is hoop, want die symbool van die kameel is, toe Here Jesus het gesê, dit is makliker vir 'n kameel om deur die oog van 'n naald te gaan as iemand wat vashou aan sy besittings. Nou is nie verkeerd om besittings te hê, maar as jy vashou kan dit nogal lol. En toe sê Jesus hierdie woorde, die disippels vra toe vir hom, maar wie gaan dan gered word? En Jesus sê, wat by die mens onmoontlik is by God moontlik. So uit die kameel is 'n verwysing van hoop. En dit is die symbool van wat ons uitdra vir Suid-Afrika. Daar's hoop vir ons land, daar's hoop vir ons kinders, daar's hoop vir die wat probleme het. En by God is alle dinge moontlik.
Couldn't agree with you more when it comes to the symbol of hope, saying the camels are a hope for our nation. And when you see them, you just remember that, we have much more to be grateful for than to complain about. I think we've come a long way. Yes, there's a lot that still needs to be done. And I think hope is something that's so important, especially coming up to the elections. We want a peaceful election. We want one that's free and fair. And I know that's something that you're praying about as well as you walk and talk.
Yes, ja, dit is hoekom ons hierdie hoop uitdra en ook vir ons mense aan te moedig om te bid vir ons leiers en bid vir die vrede van ons land. So daar is hoop. Hoe dit ook al lyk, daar is hoop want by God is alle dinge moontlik vir die wat glo.
I think Simon also glo that there is hope because he wants to speak on the mic every now and again. He brings his face closer to me. I don't know if he has a comment, but I'm going to step back a little bit just in case he wants to nibble on our microphone. We'll have to leave it there for now. But yes, the man of God just walking around South Africa with the two camels, spreading a message of hope, reminding us of all that we have achieved, the strides that have been made, and of course the hope that we have in the future of South Africa, despite the challenges that we are overcoming. Quick ad break. We continue after this.